In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to process orders in OneCart across different platforms, fulfill them, and print the Airway bill. First, you can go to Process Orders and click on Arrange Shipping. In OneCart, you can process daily orders in two ways: by Marketplace, managing orders from Lazada, Shopee, TikTok, Shopify, and etc. Processing orders from one platform at a time. Or you can process orders by brand. You can filter and process orders brand by brand in this way. If you want to process by marketplaces, simply select the platform tab, Lazada, Shopee, TikTok, or Shopify, and click on the orders that you would like to process. So if you like to process all the orders in OneCart, you can do it in multiples of 10, or you can do it in 25. Say for example, you would like to process one order, and click on bulk actions, and you are able to set the order as packed or as ready to ship. Once the order is being processed and the order status has changed, the order will move to step 2. In step 2 is where you are able to print your Airway bill. The Airway bill will open in multiple tabs of 5, and you'll also receive a consolidated PDF copy via the email linked to your OneCart account. So if you like to print this one, for Lazada, you can click on bulk actions and print shipping label. For Lazada, you are able to have the option of printing with SKUs or printing without the SKUs. And once this is done, you are able to see the PDF in your email. You are able to also process orders for Shopee, TikTok, and Shopify, and you will see that the bulk actions that you have for different platforms will differ from each platform itself. So, however, with Lazada, you can print the Airway bill at both step 1 and step 2. If you look at step 2 here, you're able to print the shipping label, and if you go to step 1, you're also able to print the shipping label. However, for Shopee, TikTok, and Shopify, and the rest of the platforms, you are supposed to process the orders first, then you're able to print the Airway bill. Say for example, if it's a Shopee order, you are able to select an order and arrange pickup, and you're able to select the pickup times and location. And that's it. You've learned how to process orders in OneCart, fulfill them, and print your Airway bills for Shopee, Shopify, TikTok, and Lazada. For more guides, check out our Help Center.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.